I picked up a Temporal Forces 3-pack. Let's see what we get. So, this was a pretty good deal on an old TikTok shop. I think I paid like 11 bucks for this, so it's a pretty good deal. So we got 3 packs, and we have a promo card. Let's check out our promo card here. Nice. And we got 3 packs of Temporal Forces. So let's see what's in here. Got some energy. Oh, that looks similar. Look at that. Ooh. Marl. Bullet. Ooh. The Great Tusk. Ooh, got reverse. Mudbray. Electabuzz and Grandpa. Put Grandpa back there. He's over there. Let's see what's in the next one. Got some energy. Whoop, whoop. Fortress. Sherman. Ooh, reverse Rosilla. And Iron Valley. Ooh. So cool about that card. And our last pack. Pikachu. Gaslight. Excadrill. Iron Treads reverse and Whimsicott. So we'll see if those check out. Thanks for watching.